Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gluta Hya Dewy Radiance, full guide. Gently wash and pat your face dry, then apply toner if you use one. Dispense a pea-sized drop and warm it between fingertips. Press the serum into cheeks, forehead, nose, and chin using upward motions. Let it absorb for 1 to 2 minutes before moisturizing. Use morning and night, and always follow with SPF in the daytime. This section explains the main ingredients and how they benefit your skin. Glutathione targets dullness and supports even tone, while hyaluronic acid locks in hydration for a dewy finish. Antioxidants help shield skin from daily stress and keep the formula stable. Knowing these functions helps you layer products better and choose complementary serums or creams. If you have sensitive skin, introduce the product slowly and monitor for any reactions. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps us make more content. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs well with taking control of routines and goals. Check the description for the link and other deals related to today's topic. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Here are practical routine tips to get the best results from the product. Apply it to slightly damp skin to boost hydration and follow with a moisturizer to seal benefits. In the morning, always layer a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher to prevent pigment issues. For sensitive skin, start with every other night and increase as tolerated. Consistency matters more than intensity, so steady use will show the best improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.